President Biden's decision to ban the import of Russian oil this morning is expected to send prices even higher. That has led Republicans here in Texas to call for a ramp up of production in the Permian Basin out in West Texas. But energy experts say it's not that simple. KXAN's Maggie Glenn joins us live to explain.
Well, Robert, Republicans, including our governor, say the recent sanctions show the need for the U.S. to become energy independent. Republicans say that means depending more on oil produced right here in Texas, but our infrastructure currently isn't set up to handle that.
Since Putin began his military buildup on Ukrainian borders, just since then, the price of the gas at the pump in America went up 75 cents. And with this action, it's going to go up further.
Governor Greg Abbott says the answer to that cost is an increase in domestic oil production. He tweeted this week, Texas can easily produce enough oil to reduce gas prices. But it may not be that simple.
We do produce a lot of oil domestically, and that oil production has been growing. Just because we get it out of the ground doesn't mean we can actually refine it.
The oil we import is typically lower quality than the oil we produce here in Texas.
A lot of our refiners, particularly in the Gulf Coast of Texas, are built for this lower quality crude that comes from the Middle East and Russia and Canada. And the crude that we produce is typically higher quality. And counterintuitively, it's harder for us to actually turn that better crude into gasoline and diesel than it is for the lower quality crude.
So, in addition to increasing domestic production, we would have to change how we process oil, which won't happen overnight. Just ramping up production can help keep gas prices down, however, if we ship it overseas for processing.
We can produce more and potentially send more to Europe, where they actually are more tooled to process that sweet crude. And so that might be helpful in the short term.
But if true independence is the goal, that wouldn't get us any closer. It's also worth noting that Biden also says we need to move toward energy independence, just not on oil and gas. He said today the stark situation with Russia should motivate us to accelerate the transition to clean energy. Robert.
Maggie, thanks. And as you mentioned, prices you pay at the pump depend on refining. The pandemic actually hurt oil refinery capacity, with more people staying home, dropping demand. The International Energy Agency calculated last year global refining capacity fell for the first time in 30 years. And as of last year, the U.S. refined more than 18 million barrels of crude oil a day. That is the lowest level since the summer of 2016. There are about 130 refineries in the United States. Texas is home to the most, with 31, when we process nearly 1/3 of the nation's capacity. It's also important to remember that higher oil and gas prices do help the state. Sales tax is still the biggest source of revenue for the state of Texas. But last year, Texas still made more than $5 billion just off of oil and natural gas production tax revenue. Both numbers higher than the year before, and that total does not include the tax the state collects on the sale of gasoline.